In the ancient pine forests of Scotland lives a hunter almost never seen on the ground. He was nearly erased from this country 100 years ago. His mother chose a tree cavity 5 meters above the forest floor. She mated last July, but her body made the fertilized egg wait. It waited inside her for 230 days without implanting. In all the world's mammals, no pregnancy is stranger or more patient than this one. He arrived in April weighing 30 grams, blind, nearly hairless, in the dark. His tiny claws were the only thing that worked from the very first day. "30 grams is the weight of 2 sheets of paper. He cannot see and he cannot hear, but his claws can already grip bark. His mother keeps him warm and fed in the dark at 5 meters height. Outside the cavity, the Caledonian forest continues without knowing he exists. At 40 days old, his eyes open and the forest becomes real. And there, at his throat, a pale yellow patch begins to show. It will be the mark by which the forest will always know him. Mid-June, he emerges from the cavity into a world that is not flat. It is layered and vertical and three-dimensional, and it requires a new kind of learning. He must learn to read every branch for strength before he trusts his weight to it. He is unlike any other weasel or marten in one quiet and extraordinary way. His claws can retract, not completely but enough, the way a cat's can. They are the reason he will spend his life above the ground. At 170 days old, he encounters his first red squirrel. She has lived alongside his species for 10,000 years, and she knows what he is. She runs to the thinnest branches she can find, where his weight cannot follow her. But there is another squirrel in this forest now. It is larger than the red squirrel and heavier, and it came from America. This one has no memory of him and no ancient knowledge of how to survive him. By killing it, he gives the red squirrel its forest back. But the forest has its own hunters watching the canopy from within. The goshawk moves through trees as if the branches are not there. The tawny owl waits in the darkness where the light cannot reach. He is small, and the ancient forest is as hungry as he is. At 280 days, his territory covers 400 hectares. He has not touched the ground in days. The yellow mark at his throat is the last thing the forest lets you see.